Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up important vehicle data before coding or programming. This is a very important step that many technicians often skip. Before making any changes, always save the original data first. In this video, we will use Xentry and DTS Monaco. If you need Xentry, DTS, Monaco, Vediamo, Starfinder, or Mercedes tools, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. First, we start with Xentry and read the vehicle. Then, we perform a quick fault scan to check the current condition of the vehicle. This helps us understand if any existing errors are already present before we begin working. Next, we save the fault report as a PDF file. This is useful for customer records and also for comparing fault codes after repair. It's always a good habit to keep a copy before making changes. Now we switch to DTS Monaco. The next step is selecting the correct project. In this example, the vehicle is a W253 platform, so we select Project 2 05253. Choosing the correct project is important for proper communication with all control units. After connecting successfully, we run the project for the entire vehicle. Then we save the complete vehicle data file, select the folder where you want to save the data on your computer. This backup can be very useful before coding, programming, or replacing modules. If anything goes wrong later, the original data can help restore settings or compare values. So this is how you can back up vehicle data properly before doing any coding work. First, save the fault report in Xentry. Then create a full data backup in DTS Monaco. This simple step can save a lot of time and avoid unnecessary problems later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.